Good morning. My name is Alan. Welcome to our presentation. Today, I'm going to be sharing some information about a company called Eaconomy. But before I do that, I just want to touch on this disclaimer real quick. Please glance it over. Trading foreign exchange currencies as well as using trade softwares is risky, and you should only trade with money you are willing to lose. Results are not guaranteed. This is not a solicitation for investment of any kind. One should learn all the risks associated with trading and software trading before getting involved. This presentation is for informational purposes only. So, you may be asking yourself, what is economy? Well, economy is about providing access. What kind of access? Access to communities and tools that will help you understand wealth, how to grow it, and how to keep it. You see, what the one percenters know is a lot of what we don't know, and economy is about giving us access to the same tools that they have, the same ideas to grow their money. At Economy, the goal is to increase your financial IQ and help you live a life by design. So who needs economy? Well, based on that statement, I think everybody can benefit from economy. Everyone that's looking to increase their current financial outlook in any way. Whether you're looking to use our tools to earn a little or a lot, economy has a solution that is right for you. So, over the next few slides, I'm going to share with you how over 12,000 people are already set up to revolutionize their own personal economies by sharing with you 3 critical keys to creating increase in your life. And that first key is having access to the right strategies so that you can succeed. Without question, without strategy, we're not able to accomplish anything. Doesn't matter what your goals are, whether they're personal, financial, spiritual, or any other type of goal. If you have no strategy, you have no shot. So we've created a transformational platform called SEED. And that's right, it's the last 4 letters of the word succeed. And that acronym stands for Connect, Empower, Elevate, and Develop. Connect you how? By providing you with access to exclusive trainings from the world's foremost experts in their field. By empowering you with personal development, mindset training, empowerment strategies so that you can clear out your head trash, leave it on the curb where it belongs, and have a positive mental outlook so that you can employ these strategies and reach towards your goals. We're going to elevate you by teaching you more about wealth, how to create it, how to sustain it, how to manage it. And we're going to do all this through our developmental platform with education on fundamentals within Forex and other financial markets. Now, the second key is having access to the right vehicle. And what do we mean by that? Well, here's what I know. We're all living and working in a global economy right now. Since the internet and social media came out, the world has become a substantially smaller place. We can connect and we can communicate with anybody all over the world with just a few pushes of a mouse button, right? Using any platform that we choose. That's correct. So here's the deal. All right, I know this. One of my favorite quotes is by Warren Buffett. Guy's worth $87.5 billion. I think I'm going to listen when he talks. And here's what he says. If you don't find a way to earn money while you're sleeping, then you're going to work until the day you die. Now, that may sound fun to some, but to me it doesn't, and I'm pretty sure it doesn't to you either. I have no intentions of working until the day I die. As a matter of fact, through this opportunity and through the tools that they offer, it is my intention to leverage myself and to put my money to work for me so that I don't have to work until the day I die. Simple as that. Now, what do we believe is the right key that will allow everybody to benefit and add value for the global marketplace? Well, we believe that it's the Forex market, or foreign exchange market. Now, if you don't know what that is, let me explain it in the simplest terms I know how. Let's say that you and your family were deciding to go on vacation and you chose to go to Japan. Well, in Japan, the currency is the Japanese yen. In America, obviously, it's the US dollar. Now, no matter where you're listening to this from, you have your own currencies. And what you would do is you would exchange your currency for the currency of the country you were going on vacation in. That's foreign exchange. Simple as that. Now, it doesn't stop there. Obviously, big banks, big business, and governments all participate in the foreign exchange market. That's what makes it the most liquid market, trading over $5 trillion daily. Now, to put that into perspective, if you combine all the other markets, okay, that would be the stock markets, the bond markets, the commodities markets, the futures markets, they only total up to about $87.5 billion a day. So as you can see, trading at over $5 trillion a day, 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, affords retail traders like myself and like you after this is over huge benefits in being able to capitalize on that volatility and liquidity. The best thing about it is it does not require huge capital or years of training, because our tools are going to teach you and help you enhance your trading experience. Now, the third and final key is having access to the right tools. Let me introduce you to one of our tools called Trade Compass. Now, this is an AI alerts powered technology, AI standing for artificial intelligence. Now, you're already familiar with the concept of artificial intelligence if you've ever used anything like Siri or Alexa, or your car may have some driver assist, or you have a Nest in your house of the thermostat that is an AI-powered thermostat. It is coming, folks. It is going to be the biggest thing since sliced bread. And what does this do for you? Well, our AI-powered alerts technology relieves you from the time of having to learn how to analyze and read charts. Simply enough, it goes out and does all that for you, and it does it right on your phone. This isn't something you have to have running all the time. You will receive an alert when it finds a premium trade entry possibility in the marketplace. Again, all right on your phone. It delivers dozens of these alerts daily, and you guys already are used to getting alerts, either text or messenger or any of that kind of thing. So there's no need to spend your time staring at the charts. You're going to learn a valuable skill that you can use in Forex, and it works on all kinds of mobile devices, and it's easy to use. The first thing you're going to receive is an alert on your mobile device. Simple as that, all right? Once that alert comes through our training, you'll be able to identify on a chart what the alert is. And then it's just a matter of waiting and to see if the chart does exactly what is predicted and whether or not you want to place the trade. It's as simple as that, folks. A very easy tool to learn. We'll train you how to use it. Okay, the next tool that we have is our Calibration Forex Mastery Training. And this is something to be excited about, because the team that is coaching us in this have over 18 years experience, and they have over 8 figures, that's $10 million, all right, at a minimum of trading experience in the foreign exchange markets. You're going to master a new skill, everything from cradle to grave, beginning to end, right? In real coaching sessions from successful traders in a live webinar Q&A session. All right, now finally, Trade Ringer, our expert advisor software. Now you may notice in the word economy, the name of the company, EA is highlighted, and of course economy doesn't actually have an A in it. That's why this is so genius, because expert advisory software is how we are modifying the way that people trade, right? It runs on the popular MT platform, which has been around since 2001 and is very, very feature rich. It takes advantage of features like red folder news monitoring. Okay, the market is affected by global news, by economic news, and our software monitors that news for you so that you don't have to do it. And through settings that you create, it will pause your trading and start your trading automatically so that you can avoid that volatility. It is a powerful ring-based counter and trend trading strategy so that it follows the smart money. It knows in its algorithms how to trade, how to look forward in the market, and how to use probabilities and prediction to make the best possible trades. It has a time start feature to keep you out of high spreads, which is very, very important. If you don't know what that means, you will. And you have total control over how you run this software. You can run it very, very conservatively, moderately, aggressive, hyper-aggressive. Those are your choices, all right? This is developed for account sizes of $1,000 and more, and it has also other rich features like profit targets, equity protection, and much more. Now I'm going to share a couple of accounts with you. This is one of our accounts. My accounts, I should say, started on May 12th, 2019. My broker is LQDFX. Now, folks, you are free to use any broker you want. There are literally hundreds of them. It's just like choosing what bank you like to do business with. So that means you're liquid from day one. You're not sending the company any money whatsoever as it relates to your trading balances, right? I ran this on medium settings for approximately 60 days now, and as you can see, this account has realized 34.98% profit in those 60 days, a gain of $1,049.28. Now, I must tell you that past performance is not indicative of future results. No one can foretell the future, right? This is not a solicitation for you to join us or invest in any way. You should only trade with money you can afford to lose, but all I can share with you is this is exactly what happened. This is a verified chart from a company called MyFX Book. They verify trading results so that you can trust that this is exactly what happened. Here's another account started 2 days prior on May 10th. Okay, smaller account, $1,000. This one is also mine. Okay, again, at the same broker, LQDFX, and I ran this one on conservative settings, but look what it did, you guys. 58.62% profit, or $586.22 on a $1,000 balance. Now, you guys may be saying to yourself, well, I mean, $586 is not that much. Here's how you need to think in Forex. It's not about the money you gain, it's about the percentage. Here's what I would challenge you to do. Take $1,000, go to your favorite bank, go to your bank, give it to your banker and say, hey, I'm going to be back in 60 days, and I'd like 58.62% on my money. I'd like to pick up $1,586.22 in the 60 days. They will laugh you out of the building. Folks, this would take years and years and years in traditional banking methods to realize this kind of gain. In fact, you may not live long enough to see 1,000 turn into 1,500. And again, past performance is not indicative of future results, but this is what happens. So in recap, we have the right strategies at Eaconomy, we have the right vehicle, and we have the right tools. So, do you think if you had access to these things and more that you could experience the increase in life that we're all trying to achieve? Well, I know that you could. All right, so you're going to receive seed, a $247 value. This is the cornerstone of our success path, right? Without this tool, this is the building block to get your mind right, to get you built up, to teach you how to build and sustain wealth through education for $247. You're also going to receive our Calibration Forex Mastery Training. Again, I know this team has charged $2,500 for 3 days of training in a live fire event. You're going to have access to this for as long as you are a member of Seed. This is a $2,497 value. Okay, you're also going to get access to our tool Trade Compass. This is our AI, artificial intelligence alerts system, a $585 value. Now, if I was to stop here, it would be good enough, but the company has thrown a cherry on top. They're going to provide you with free access to our Trade Ringer Expert Advisor software. It is very powerful. The algorithms are tried, true, and tested all over the place for years now, while it's still in review. All right, now this is a total value worth $247 for the transformational platform called Seed, $24.97 for Forex Mastery classes from the best in the world, a $585 value for our artificial intelligence powered alert system. That's a total value of $33.29. Now I could have added another line here and said to you, and free access to our Trade Ringer software, our EA, while it's in review. Priceless, right? Copied MasterCard a little bit there. So that's what it is. The question is, though, what would it be worth to you? Well, here's what I know. It would be worth twice the money to me at the value stated of $33.29. Why? Because I pour into myself. I believe that I am my best resource and that I need to build myself up. I hope that I'm talking to a group of people that feel the same way. We need to educate ourselves specifically on financial things so that we can learn to put our money to work for us. So would it be worth twice that? You bet it would, but we're not going to charge you that. And even at $9.97, this insane deal that we're offering, it would be crazy for you not to take advantage of it. But guys, the company has gone one step further, and for just the price of Seed, $247 one time today, 95% off, you're going to get access to all the things that I talk about. Trade Ringer, Trade Compass, the Calibration Forex Mastery, and the Seed platform. And guys, we're not stopping there. We have a lot of things on tap down the road. Now, there is a one-time fee of $247, so when you join us today, 30 days later, if you decide that you want to stick with us, it's a $169 monthly subscription. But let me ask you a question. If you're sincere in wanting your dreams and goals to come true, and you're using our tools to give you gain in the financial markets, why wouldn't you stay? Of course you're going to stay. All right. People would trade $169 bills for more money than that all day long. But if you're like me and you don't want to pay that subscription, well, folks, we have a plan for our customers just like Dish Network, just like many who say, if you refer us somebody, we'll give you a reward. And that is this. If you help just 3 people become customers of Eaconomy, I'm not talking about building an MLM or anything like that. I'm talking about you're a customer and you refer a customer and you help just 3 people get started for as long as they are members. All right, your monthly subscription is free. And what do you think they're going to want to do? They're going to want to do the same thing. So folks, this leaves you with 2 options. You can continue doing what you're doing right now to earn the additional dollars that you're looking for. Listen, if you've found it and you're in a happy place in your life and you're building your income to its highest levels and you're already elevated and you're increased in life and you're happy, God bless you. We're cheering for your success, right? We're cheering for your success. In fact, you can reach out to many of us and let us know what you're doing. That would be fantastic. Or if you're like most of us, you're going to choose option 2. You can circle back to the person that shared this information with you and you can join us. You can tell them, hey, look, this sounds like a fantastic thing. I've always wanted to leverage my money. I've always wanted to learn how to grow it. So I am in. Here's my $247. Let's get started. Folks, that is our presentation. This is Eaconomy, Life Elevated.